Hello. Am I audible to all of you guys? Audible or not? Yes, it is audible. Okay. So very good evening to all of you. How are you all? Hello Deepak. Hello Sumit. Sonu. Good afternoon. I'm good, Praneeth. How are you? A lot of my students are joining. Satnam ji, how are you? Very good evening. Anyone who is new to this webinar, please let me know. Good evening, Shibu. Okay, Karthik. Very good evening, Karthik. Welcome. And Hitesh, new. Okay. So first of all, let me just introduce myself. My name is Bhavneet, and I teach market profile, volume profile, and order flow analysis. In this is my course, market profile combo course. All right, and some of you know I have got experience of more than 9 years. This is just brief introduction about myself. I've got experience of more than 9 years, and I do scalping. My strength is intraday trading. My strength is intraday trading and scalping. How many of you know about scalping? We'll be talking about scalping in a while today. Will this video be uploaded on YouTube? Yes. Okay, sir. How is Alice Blue broker? Alice Blue hangs a lot. There are many reviews by my friends. I have not yet personally used it, but many of my friends, they have used it, not just one or two. All of them have said that its web terminal always hangs. So yeah, Delhi based है ना? Mitesh, how is Astha? Astha is also good. Ma'am use Astha, so you can talk to ma'am regarding that. I'll ask ma'am. Mitesh, I'll definitely message you. Good evening, Sharan. Deepak, that is also good. Good evening, Vivek. Some of you are joining now. All right, so let's, I'll just start with the webinar. Right. So this is my strength. I do intraday trading, and starting with my brief introduction, this is my strength. I do intraday trading, and I do scalping as well. And today we'll be talking about Nifty analysis, Bank Nifty analysis. These are the topics for the day. That first we'll be doing Nifty and Bank Nifty market profile and volume profile analysis, and then we will be talking about scalping and how is it useful for doing short trades and but effective trades, right? And then I'll be introducing you all, as I promised during my last live trading session. My live trading session was conducted on Thursday. Some of you who have attended, or if all of you have attended that live trading session, I promised during that session that on Saturday I'll be conducting a webinar related to upcoming market profile combo course. Many of you asked about it, so I have conducted here I am. I have conducted this live trading live webinar, wherein I will also be explaining related to market profile combo course, which is about to start on 15th of May. Okay. All right. So let's first talk about and yeah, so yeah, I am one strength I have told you that I'm a scalping expert in bank nifty options. Nifty I sometimes do, but yes, bank nifty is something which I love the most, because the kind of momentum that bank nifty gives is amazing. And I have been trading in bank nifty consistently. And you know many people, many trainers you will find in the market, they will not show you, they'll simply tell you that we are selling you XYZ product, and they will not even show you how much they are capable to teach. Right? If they are capable to teach, then they should also show their skills while doing live trading. Right? This is what I personally feel. So I always send my, you must have seen, this is what I do. I always just keep on sending my daily profits to the group, and I keep on sending my research. Whatever that I do, I take the trade based upon that only. For example, last trading day, this is what I posted. How many of you got profit out of it? This analysis I posted, that bank nifty has got net long positions as of now, but prices are running sideways. Wait for directional move and take position accordingly. Okay, Sumit, you have got the profit of 3,000 out of it. Okay, lovely. I made around 21,000 profit out of this trade, because when bank nifty gave a downward move in order flow, I knew it well in advance that bank nifty is about to move in the downward direction. Before this breakout, we knew well in advance that breakout is about to happen. When breakout happened, straight away prices started moving down. When they started retracing, it was nothing but testing of same breakout level. Right? It was testing of breakout level, and after that, straight away prices moved down till like 19,200 or something. Right? If you all remember. Okay, Ashutosh, you also booked 2,600 profit out of it. Okay, Mitesh shorted and got around 210 points with 2 lots. Lovely. So I was also able to, I was holding 5 lots. So roughly, I think around 5, 6 lots. That is what I was holding. So 21,000 is a pretty good profit out of that, right? So and during Thursday live trading session, market did not move much, but still we were able to make very good profit out of bank nifty. We were able to we were able to buy bank nifty 19600 put option, if you all remember that, gave a lovely 11,000, 10, 11,000 profit. Right? That was the beautiful trade in bank nifty. But after that, bank nifty obviously did not move much at all. Right? This is another analysis posted by me just day before that. And during this day, I made a profit of around, like, I just keep on posting as much profit, whatever. How many of you have seen my daily profit? This is, in this day I got around like 28,000 profit. Just 28,000, 18,000, 19,000, 46,000. So the reason for me to show you all these profits was that first you need to know from where, from whom you are learning. Right? I am a full-time trader. Right? I have started teaching, and I'm teaching from past 1 year. Right? So yeah, so this is about 1 year. Right? And this is what I do, and I trade. My trading is what I do, and I run my family out of the income that I generate from intraday trading. All right? So that is that was all about me. So let's talk about nifty and bank nifty analysis. So first and foremost thing, let's have a look at bank nifty. What is NISM certificate? National Institute of Securities Market. They provide, they have many certification programs. So I have taken certification program in equities and derivatives. I have certification of equities and derivatives market. I have another certification as well, that is for certified trader in this thing, CDSM course. So there are many courses which are available, but let's talk about like bank nifty first. RBL Bank target went wrong that day on Thursday during my live session. Okay. RBL बैंक जो आप बोल रहे हैं on Thursday, it was I think on 30th of April, na? Sorry, 7th of April. ये दिन था ना? This was the thing ना in RBL. 7th में था, 7th में था. It was 7th में. This was the chart. What did I tell you all? Buy it above 134.5. मैंने क्या 134.5 आया ही नहीं. This was the price. 134.5 तो आया ही नहीं है. That is what I said ना. If you are saying कि target missed, it is wrong. I kept on speaking. I still have the recording of all the sessions that I conduct. Please do not say that 134.5. 134.5. That is what I said na, during that session. And after that, one of my student, yes, institutional buyers entered here. This is what I told exactly here. And prices kept on staying here, for like next couple of minutes. And my student, she was able to point out that this is actually nothing but a selling activity, not a buying activity, which was actually happening around here. This was kind of a divergence activity, and you can see here also there was lack of demand at the top. There was one point of time when the demand appeared here at the top, but after that there was very weak demand. Out of that weak demand, the prices again, you know that's why I told you to buy it above 134.5. If the demand is continuing, we are good to buy it. If the demand is not continuing, I did not buy this. 134.5, मैं तो आपको रिकॉर्डिंग का स्क्रीनशॉट दिखा सकता हूं इफ आई हैव. 134.5 में मैंने लाइव सेशन, मैंने टेलीग्राम पर तो एक भी रिप्लाई नहीं, एक भी मैसेज नहीं है मेरा. On Thursday, there is not even a single message that I posted on Telegram channel. This is where 136. Sagar, in live session, I conducted a live session on Thursday. This is where I, told the attendees that buy RBL Bank. When RBL Bank started moving up, I told them to buy it above 134.5. When the prices reached here, there was lack of demand which kept on happening. So instead of buying it, we cancelled the order. That is what happened. एग्जैक्टली जब गया ही नहीं तो ऑर्डर कैंसिल कर दिया. दीपक, ये एग्जैक्टली वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूं. जब 134.5 पर गया ही नहीं है तो ये ट्रेड में कैसे फेल हो गया ये ट्रेड. 9:30 AM पर तो मैंने आरबीएल बैंक दिया ही नहीं है कहीं पर. सागर, आई हैव नॉट गिवन 9:30 AM, मैंने देखा ही नहीं है आरबीएल बैंक. नॉट एट ऑल. Anyways, let us not argue on this because I know what I have done. I know what I do. My students know me very well. So, but अगर आपको अगर फिर भी अगर blame कर रहे हैं, कि I have done something wrong on that live trading session, then that is also acceptable, no problem. All right. So let's talk about Bank Nifty and Nifty analysis. Right. So first and foremost thing in Bank Nifty is this is as per volume profile chart of Bank Nifty. This is what Bank Nifty is showing, that it is currently distributing around 20,000 and 19,000. 19,000 is kind of a very much extreme area, and the prices are spending most amount of the time between 19,900 to 19,300. सर थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बताते रहें, जरूर मैं बताता रहूंगा। यहां पर अभी प्राइस क्या बता रहा है कि प्राइस सबसे ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा है बिटवीन 20,000 से लेके 19,300 के बीच में प्राइस अपना टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा है। उसके ऊपर जब प्राइस जाता है तो वी कैन सी फ्रॉम हेयर रिजेक्शन, and then here also there was again another sort of rejection, and फिर उसके बाद प्राइस दोबारा से साइडवेज 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 गैप अप ओपनिंग, making people think that prices is about to move up, but no, sellers again entered, prices again moved down. As per option chain, market is currently locked between 19,000 to 20,000. That is the option chain of Bank Nifty. So yes, so as per Bank Nifty option chain, writers are more confident that Bank Nifty this week will not expire above 20,000 this time, right? Or below 19,000 as well. But at any point of time, if market is going below 19,000 and prices, the moment prices start accepting, the area below 19,000, you can expect the option chain adjustment in Bank Nifty for the next week, and definitely there will be new value area which Bank Nifty will start looking for. And then in that case, in that scenario, you can expect prices to start exploring and rotating anywhere between these levels, 18,000 to 18 to the low price till here 19,000. This is the area which you can mark for yourself if you want to. That is the low price of this current distribution till 18,000 roughly. Please mark it on your charts if you want, or if you want to write down, you can write it down for yourself. For intraday buy and sell, I am just sending all my analysis every day, but for positional basis, this is what is what you can expect in case of Bank Nifty. The moment prices start accepting the area below the low of this rejection area, right? This is the rejection area, right? So obviously the prices, the moment prices start accepting, and we will definitely update on Bank Nifty channel also, right, that prices have started accepting the lower area, and there is also shift in option chain, right? Obviously option chain will also shift and move accordingly, creating another support and resistance zones, right? There will be shift in option chain as well. So yeah, so obviously the chart kind of looks pretty bearish, but the only area remaining is this much of area, that is between 19,000, or you can call this as low area till 19,300, roughly 300 points of range. If the prices start moving again further down with volume, or there is a gap down opening till till below this, right, you can expect definitely prices to start exploring the area between 19,000 to 18,000, and we might see rotation around that. For finding out the support and resistance, I'll keep on posting you all everything related to support and nearby resistances. That is what I keep on posting, right? So I'll keep on doing it for all of you. But as of now, for next week, you can expect, if as of now prices are showing their distribution between this upper end, if the prices will keep on distributing around this upper end only for the whole next whole week, right, let's say that prices again reach here and take rejection and then again start moving up, you can again expect prices to again take a distribution like this. That's how it is possible. On the upper end, there is multiple price rejection, 1, 2, 3, and you can call this one as also. There are multiple price rejections, so yeah, so it will be some good news related to market can only, you know, break this with volume. Definitely there are multiple rejection areas, right? So yeah, at the bottom end, the definitely the prices are moving, you know, below this area. If they are moving below this area, then you can expect prices to first take support around this rejection zone. If the prices are not taking support around this rejection zone, then you can expect prices to further move down and start exploring and you know, going below this 18,000 to 19,000 area. If this area is where the prices are reaching, then you should definitely, you know, there will be definitely change in option chain. And I'm not saying that market will expire around 18,500. That is not a possibility. That will depend upon option chain as well. So do not look into, you know, buying a lot of out of the money put options or out of the money call options, because since VIX is also dropping, you might not get. Currently the premiums are also comparatively higher. The premium levels are still higher. VIX is still moving down overall, right? VIX is overall still moving down only, and premium levels are still high. What is it telling? Current, if you are holding any option for positional basis, especially if that option is out of the money option, you might not get a very good return out of it. You might or you might not. Okay, so yes, premiums are still playing a big role, but as of now, you know, only the option chain is still not filled with very big volume. That's why I'm also not doing any positional option writing as of now. But once option chain gets filled, that is what I explained during live session also, that once the option chain gets filled with volume again, right, filled with lots of writers, then definitely I'll again start doing positional option writing. Right now, you know, there is like hardly 5,000 contracts are written here. 6,000 contracts are written on the 19,500, which is kind of a pivot which is forming as of now. So yeah, so if 19,500 is a pivot, you can also expect tomorrow prices to first test 19,500 level as well, which is the current pivot level. Yeah, so 19,500 is also, as per option chain, is a pivot level as per option chain. So if there is nothing big that is happening in Bank Nifty overnight, then you can expect prices to start testing the 19,500 level again. And here on the call side, 9,000, and on the put side there is 2,000 contracts are written. And here on 19,000 strike level, 6,000 lots are written. And on comparing to, you know, call side only 1,600 contracts are written. So yeah, but overall number of call writing is, you know, amount of call writing is higher than amount of put writing. And market is still, you know, and this particular Friday is also carrying net short positions, right? So obviously if the market is carrying net short position, you don't want you know, market participants, they might not, you know, push the prices, you know, they might want to push the prices down. But if you know, something happens in the market and price, you know, again start moving up, they will start testing the first level that you can expect will be 19,500 in case of Bank Nifty, where you can expect, you know, prices to start taking resistance for the first time, right? If that is getting broken with the volume, then you can expect prices next price level to be around 19,800. If 19,800 is also getting broken, you can expect prices to be reaching the topmost area of the day, right? Yesterday topmost area, that is where you can definitely expect prices to be reaching. That is another V-shaped day, and that will be possible, you know. Here also it was possible, when these 3 days there was straight away downward move, then there was straight away downward gap down opening and prices moved down. and there at the bottom there was completely lack of supply, and prices, because of lack of supply, all the market participants, they started buying at market price, and prices moved up like anything. And this is the day where I bought, because of lack of supply at the bottom prices, I bought 100 quantity here, and I was able to get around like 28,000 profit from this trade. It was a very quick scalping, just in 1 and 2 candles got 28,000 profit. That is the kind of accuracy that you can get in this order flow. All right, so that is first part. That was all related to bank nifty. Bank nifty, is there, if there is any doubt, you can ask me one more time, then I'll move to next analysis, that is nifty analysis. All right, no one. Thank you, Datta. All right, so let's move on to nifty. So nifty is also, this, the day which on this particular day, सर 1 मिनट चार्ट पे भी ट्रेड लिया जा सकता है बैंक निफ्टी में? व्हाई नॉट? 1 मिनट पर क्यों नहीं लिया जा सकता ट्रेड? Sir, this is the chart of bank nifty future, right? Yes, this is the chart of bank nifty future. No, obviously now I have opened futures chart of nifty. As per nifty, similar thing, but in case of nifty, the exploration area is way higher compared to bank nifty. For nifty, the exploration area is way higher, right? And just a minute. All right, so this is also some sort of rejections. All right, I'll mark the rejections. These are also some sort of rejections that have taken place. Prices have spent some time here, 8900 till market till here. These are some of the price rejection areas. It has no meaning. If this one is broken with volume, then do not expect. Yeah, you can definitely expect prices to be reaching around 8400 or 8400 to 8300. So yeah, so in case of nifty, okay, all right, there are a lot of questions. Just a minute. For intraday, 30 minutes is not too long. No, this is weekly analysis. Intraday ki analysis, so I'll keep on sending now on Bank Nifty channel. I keep sending all the intraday analysis. This webinar is for weekly analysis of Bank Nifty. 30-minute chart is must for that. Edwin. I daily post my analysis. How to understand price action? Please show NSE option chain and international market. I'll show you the NSE option chain. Okay, international market on up move. Dow Jones positive 2%. May I get a gap up opening in Bank Nifty on Monday? मैंने आपको बोला, AK, that is what I have told you. Gap up opening, if I'll say कि gap up opening होगी, that will be speculation. I'll not say that gap up opening will definitely happen, but yes, as of now the option chain is telling that prices are currently in a range between 20,000 writers are basically, they are confident between 20,000 to 19,000, and 19,500 is becoming the pivot level. So yes, you can expect prices to first go and test 19,500. That is what I have told. But at any point of time, there is a gap down opening and prices start moving down, then you can expect. That is what I told, na. First and foremost expectations, if the prices are, there is nothing much changed in the market, then you can expect prices to, go and test 19,500. This is what I explained few minutes back. And if there is a gap down opening and prices start moving down, then you can expect this price rejection zone to be reaching, and prices to be reaching around this price rejection zone, and they might take reversal. If this is also getting broken with volume, then definitely prices might accept this lower area, and we might see prices to be, then exploring within 18,000 to 19,000. That is what I'm saying. I hope this point is clear now. Any doubt? Okay. All right, and next question is, sir, jab ऑल राइट, सो सुनील इज आस्किंग वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन सर, जब ऑप्शन में ट्रेड करते हैं तब बैंक निफ्टी के फ्यूचर को ट्रैक करना है या बैंक निफ्टी के इंडेक्स को? मैं दोनों को ट्रैक करता हूं। सिंपल आंसर, मैं दोनों को ट्रैक करता हूं अगर मुझे ऑप्शंस में ट्रेड करना हो। उसमें से क्या इंफॉर्मेशन डिराइव करनी है और मुझे ट्रेड करना है सुनील, उसके बेसिस पर मैं अपना ट्रेडिंग डिसीजन ले लेता हूं। व्हाट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ऑप्शन, चेन और फ्यूचर डाटा? वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन विक्रांत, व्हाट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट? Right, option chain or future data, both of them are equally important. They are helping each other out in making your, they are, combining them is making your trading decision way better. Which is best way for analyzing chart? 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour? So it depends upon your risk taking capacity, Malesh. If you are using 5 minute chart, that means you are, kind of intraday trader, or you want to take your trade in intraday, and your risk capital, you want to take low risk and, comparatively higher rewarding trades. That's why, if you are using 5 minute or even lower time frame charts, and if you are using 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, or maybe 2 hours, 4 hours, that kind of chart, then I can think that you are a swing trader or something, right? 15 minute is still okay, but that is the cap for intraday traders. There should not be, bigger time frame for intraday traders, at least if you are a scalper. Scalper ke liye to 1 second is more than sufficient for trading, right? Thank you. I do watch every second in Telegram. Okay, thank you. If you do watch Telegram on channel, our channel, do pin your pin this channel on the top in Telegram, and definitely, you'll keep on getting the updates. Where do you post, sir? Can we see? RG, this is where I post. Let me remove all the drawings. So I'm just answering all of your questions, and then I'll move ahead to the next topic. This is Stock Pro Bank Nifty Club, and here I post everything related to analysis of bank daily price. This is posted by me, Bank Nifty price section, then Bank Nifty update related to what is happening in the morning this particular day. Is it visible, RG? So every day I post there. So if you want to follow, you can follow this. This is what I post. This was another day which was, when prices moved up in during the short covering day. I told everyone that during short covering day, do not short, prefer staying. You can anyways buy at the bottom prices, right? That is what I wrote. Bank Nifty is witnessing short covering. During short covering days, never fight with market by taking short trade. You can anyways buy on retracements, right? So, and I also posted within like next few minutes that 19300 to 200 connect as potential support now in Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty breaks this zone with volume, then only consider shorts are back, right? Obviously, there is nothing big mathematics here available. When Bank Nifty, I'll show you the chart of Bank Nifty during that day. Exactly. Look at this. 19300. That is the accuracy. Price came down, reached at 19300, and within next couple of minutes they swiftly blasted up. All right. That is the accuracy that you can have using order flows. Please provide Bank Nifty channel links, sir. Okay, okay. If you are part of Stock Pro channel, then I'll post in Stock Pro channel as well daily. All right, so the result for ICICI came good and it contributes 20.7. So if ICICI moves up, then we can say Bank Nifty, it will go up. See, Mitesh, that is the thing, right? I do not follow news. Everything becomes, well discounted in the prices. So yeah, even if the results have come, if they are good enough, price will definitely show everything, right? So doesn't matter. सर अगर कॉल या पुट खरीदना है तो वीकली कौन सा करें? अ, मैं अभी थोड़ी देर देर पहले मैंने बताया आपको, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए होल्ड नहीं करना है ऑप्शन अभी फिलहाल. इट इज नॉट अ राइट टाइम टू होल्ड द ऑप्शन फॉर वीकली ऑप्शन, स्पेशली on Friday or maybe on Monday. It is better to do weekly options trading for intraday only, right? Bank Nifty trade के लिए trend follow is the best, right? Yes, definitely. Trend, follow the trend, trade with the trend. But sir, many times there is a lot of difference in both index and future. Yes, Sunil, दोनों में difference होता है, वही difference को तो समझना है. Using finance, please explain the straddle strategy. Is, sir, I'm no straddle strategy. I won't be able to explain right now, sir. I'm totally new and want to trade in Bank Nifty. Is there any video by this? Any video of this by you on YouTube? I never done trading in Bank Nifty. I have account in this. Which one is good? Upstocks is good if you want to use. मेरा टेलीग्राम नेम अभिजीत, अभी मुझे भी याद नहीं है क्या है. Sir, will you give another live trading session, please, sir? Guru, another live trading session. I don't know whether I'll give or not. But yes, I'll do post. I'll keep posting all my analysis on Bank Nifty Club channel, as well as I'll post on Stock Pro channel. All right, sir, I'm new and I'm not able to understand. अगर आप नए हैं, अगर आप नहीं हैं, इसको समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं, if you are not able to understand, what I can do, if you join the course, market profile combo course, if you join the course, I'll give you initial kickstarter. I'll give you like 3-4 hours of basic learning related to stock market first, kind of orientation pre start of before the start of course, because there are already 3-4 people who have joined and they want orientation. So yeah, I will be teaching them before the start of course. What should I do, sir? Cannot find the channel on Telegram. If you are part of Stock Pro, then that is okay. Search for @Stock Pro Bank Nifty Club, or you can do this thing. You please take this number, write down this number 95996 34604. This is the number. Write down, write down this number. Send a WhatsApp message and tell that you want to be added to Bank Nifty Club channel. All right. Just simply message 95996 34604. All right, so I'll not take up any more questions. So sorry, because time is running out. We have to look for other things as well, right? So let's have a look at Nifty analysis. So Nifty is also crystal clear on this part, that there is price rejection zone that is forming in Nifty around here, where Nifty has stopped multiple times. right here multiple times nifty have stopped, right? So if prices are going here and breaking this with volume, then only we can expect prices to start exploring the area between 8900 to 9100. But if prices do not explore, do not break it, and again they take rejection, or prices simply start moving up, then definitely in nifty also the upper bracket is 9400, lower bracket is definitely 9100. So 9400 to 9100 is the current bracket of nifty, and option chain is also running accordingly. For next week, if there is any option chain adjustment, then that is taking place, then definitely you can expect prices to be going around 8900 to 9100, or 8852, maximum 8850 to 9150. That is the maximum bracket of nifty, second bracket of nifty, where the option chain writers can also make their positions accordingly. All right, do not expect a very big move to be taking place in both nifty and bank nifty. That is what it seems as of now, because VIX, I have given one lecture related to VIX. It is only because of VIX I'm telling you, do not expect a very big move. The move which was happening in nifty and bank nifty from February onwards, that kind of move have kind of stopped. Now the buyers and sellers are kind of more fighting with each other, and there is more volume in futures compared to the volumes that is happening in option chain. People are trading right now in futures more compared to options, because of obviously the premiums factors as well. The option premiums are comparatively highly overpriced, and they are not currently representing properly the VIX levels, right? As per the kind of levels VIX is showing, they should have shown uh, less premiums till now. All right. What indicators are you using on graphs? Yes, I'll show you, Ashutosh. Just a minute. Okay, about the so that was all related to nifty and bank nifty. So I'll quickly now introduce you all. आपको ट्रेड जानना है, कैसे ट्रेड करना है? This is how you can do the trade. Press, select your stock, press F1, your order window will appear, press enter, enter your transaction password, and that's it. Okay, that's how you can take the trade. Very simple. Buy, sell. It is not that simple, but yeah. Will you show how to take trade in intraday? So the second topic is that only, that is scalping scope. Scalping scope in nifty and bank nifty is tremendous, and that is what I also teach in this course, right? I teach my scalping strategy in market profile. Those who wanted to know the course fee, this is the course fee, 34,999. That is, you can also call it 35,000. And scalping scope is huge, and intraday scalping, that is what I teach to my students in this course. How to do intraday scalping, especially with the main focus upon risk and reward, right? That is what I teach them, because ultimately if they want to earn good money, that is what I want to teach them, right? So obviously, what is scalping are very short lived trades, right? Generally based upon momentum, right? So obviously, if you see any good amount of momentum appearing any stock, if you have bought it, suppose like here, like let's say that let me show you a simple example of scalping, right? So obviously, let's say that prices are currently running into a sideways area, and then there is sudden movement in the stock, right? There is a breakout, and right at the breakout you have bought it, right? And as long as this upward price is upward momentum in time and sales, TNS, or in order flow, it is appearing that as long as this buying is happening, you are good to hold on to your trade and keep on trailing your stop loss up and up. The moment it is stopping, the upward momentum is stopping, you should become the first person to exit from the trade, doesn't matter whether the stock after retracing little bit it is again moving up, doesn't matter. The momentum, you are simply trading with the momentum, where your trading quantity, many people, they take very big quantity, and they are not even concerned about the trend of market, they are simply concerned about the momentum of particular stock. The moment any momentum is coming in the XYZ stock, they are entering it, and obviously they'll keep on holding it as long as the momentum is there. Sometimes, this big quantity, it can be like, for example, in case of Bank Nifty, it will be sometimes around 2000 quantity as well, 4000 quantity as well. You can call it, can be any quantity, 1000 quantity, 500 quantity, it can be any quantity, right? If you are buying it in momentum, let's say that you have bought 1000 quantity here, and Bank Nifty option you have bought, right? And Bank Nifty, swiftly moved up, and you are also, entering, and let's say that you have bought it at about like, you have bought at the money option. Obviously at the money option will, because of delta effect, what will happen? So at the money option, let's say that Bank Nifty futures are trading at around, let's say, 19,000, and 19,000 price, the Bank Nifty start moving up like 30 point, it has moved up. At the money ATM option, obviously it will also start, initially obviously it will start moving like 10 points up, right? And let's say that this momentum reached till 50 point, right? Then obviously the kind of, because of delta effect, the momentum in this option will be higher compared to the movement in this particular future underlying, right? So that's why, generally in scalping, what is preferred? It is preferred to trade either in ITM, in the money options, or at the money options. At the money options are better because they are, because of delta effect, you can say, because the rate of change in price will be higher if you have traded in right direction. That is the that is also important key, right? Sir, how will I identify a stock will shoot up or shoot down? We identify that based upon demand and supply, right? So during the live session which I conducted, I told people, this was I think on, yeah, this was the day, guys, when the live trading session was conducted. Prices started moving up, up, up. Then there was shift in this particular area, there was shift in demand. The prices started, getting, prices, I explained, during that day also, the reasons, multiple reasons for taking short position. Prices started getting, you know increased, or you can also say demand reduction, and within next candle also there was increase of supply, right? So after getting further confirmation, we shorted, if you all remember, we shorted in this candle at 10:10. We shorted Bank Nifty right about this price, when the price was trading at 19,600. And those who attended, they knew that I told them, the moment prices are reaching, not even making a new high, if they are reaching anywhere around 19,700 again, we have to exit from our put option. That is what I told. And prices after that, within this 5 minutes, for next couple of minutes, the prices kept on staying. This is order flow chart, by the way. The prices kept on staying sideways little bit, and then they started making a rally, ultimately giving us huge amount of profit. We did not anticipate a downward move. We anticipated. What we did, we just took the trade based upon demand and supply. Simple. Demand and supply can help you out in understanding whether the prices is about to move up or down. And that is where, if you are doing scalping in that kind of thing, ATM options will definitely give you comparatively higher profit. And that was also the reason why we bought 19600 put option, because obviously the chances of this option to go higher will be very high. They will go way higher than 19700 put option or 19800, 19900 put option. All right, which time frame is best for scalping? So for me, I use sometimes seconds chart. All this chart, seconds, depends upon volatility also. Seconds chart, if highly volatile stock, for example, these days Bharti Airtel is running like next Indiabull Housing Finance. Indiabull Housing Finance has stopped moving up and down like it used to move before, right? So now Bharti Airtel has become next IBUL Housing Finance, right? It is highly volatile these days, moves up down like anything, and it is also moving without even it does not care anything about Nifty or Bank Nifty. Where Nifty is moving, where Bank Nifty is moving, doesn't matter. Bharti Airtel just moves up and down, and you can also call it next just dial as well, right? So yeah, so seconds chart is very good if you want to do scalping for highly volatile, right? And you know well, depending upon volatility, right? 1 minute, 3 minute, depends upon stock to stock, right? 5 minute. What I do, I use 1 minute and 5 minute for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty. 1 minute and 5 minute for Bank Nifty. That is what I do for myself. But whenever there is in Bank Nifty, if very high momentum is appearing in Bank Nifty and I want to take entry in the option, but not at the higher price, that is where I use seconds chart in options. I hope this point is clear to all of you. Clear? स्कैल्पिंग के लिए कौन सा टाइम फ्रेम है? What is time, what is scalping, what is the potential in scalping is huge. You can earn like huge amount of money in intraday if you're a very good intraday trader. Then only, that is the reality, right? Everything comes down to emotions. Which is good for a beginner, trade in intraday or delivery, right? So a very good question. If you are a, now आपसे ही मैं पूछता हूं भुवनेश, you only tell me what is most comfortable to you. सिंपल, जहां पर आपको कंफर्ट आ रहा है, that is what you should be doing. I do not find any comfort in positional trade. In positional trade, I do not find any comfort, so that's why I never take positional trades. Because in positional trade, my simple reasoning is I want to have a good sleep every single night. I want to have a very sound sleep. That's why I do not take positional trade. I don't want to carry any risk, or I don't want to, carry any stresses which will, take away my whole sleep. That's why, and overnight risk, all these things, weekend risk or 3 days risk, 2 days risk, I have tried it number of times, so I just never do it. I just want to, whenever, just simple, it is very, that's why I love intraday, and that is why my strength is intraday. Because what I have to do, I just have to wake up at around like 8 o'clock, get ready, just like everyone also does, I also get ready, and just like my home is my office, I have created an office separate, proper office, right? So yeah, so what I do, just 8 to 9, I prepare myself for the day, and I watch all the world market, what has happened, and what is happening at present. I just have my breakfast, and then just get ready for intraday, how SGX is performing, and where the market is about to open. The one good thing that I do in intraday, I never speculate. जहां मार्केट खुल रही है खुलने दो, does it matter? You want your money from intraday, right? If you want your money from intraday, just go ahead and take your trade accordingly, right? Wherever you are finding opportunity, right? And obviously market gives you know millions of opportunity every single second, every day, right? So yeah, you want your opportunity, so that is what I focus upon whenever I do intraday. Yes. So now my question to you is, Bhuvnesh, what do you feel is most comfortable to you? Positional? By positional, I want to say there is a difference, guys. Maybe शायद हो सकता है मेरा interpretation गलत हो. If you are saying positional trading, I'm interpreting this as swing trading. There is a difference between trading and investment. I'm not talking about investment. Investment is for long term, right? That is not a trading. You are just buying and holding it for very long term. That is not a trading. If you are talking about positional trading, then this is swing trading, and which is what I don't like. I don't want to carry overnight risk for like next even 2 days as well. So yeah, if okay, many people are writing intraday is best, intraday is best. Okay, less risk in, okay, Bhuvnesh is saying that it is less risk in delivery. If you are saying that it is less risk in delivery, I would like to ask from one, I'm not changing your decision. If you're thinking that positional is good for you, then definitely never ever try intraday. Because if this is what is giving you comfort, go ahead and take positional trades. Never ever shift your decision to intraday, because intraday will give you lots of stresses then. Okay, sir, please tell Bank Nifty how much capital is required according to you for a successful scalper. Now, my question to you, Vash, is if you are saying that how much capital is required to become a successful scalper, I will say zero capital is required for becoming a successful scalper. Zero capital if you want to become a successful scalper. In order to get success, you need to have learning first. Learning and lifelong mentoring, that is what is required. So what I'm providing in this course, in market profile combo course, this is the course, market profile combo course. That is what I'm providing you all. What are the key things that I'm providing you? I'm giving you the learning, and I'm also mentoring you lifelong. So what I do, whenever my one badge is over, we add them to another forum where they keep on, there is a separate market profile combo course forum where student, they keep on discussing about whatever security they want to discuss, and their trading ideas, because all of them are like minded. They will be, they help each other out a lot, and they are, working like a family, right? And obviously this and I meet all these students every Sunday. That's my, thing. So obviously, if you are saying that to become successful, what is required, I think learning is what is required first. अगर आपके पास 1 crore capital भी है, that will also become zero in not very long time. It will become zero very soon if you do not have. And Abhijit, you are saying this Bank Nifty Club के लिए, those who want to be part of it, Bank Nifty Club, you just send a personal message to Sachin, 9599634604. This is the number, 9599634604, and it is mentioned on website also at the top corner here. It is mentioned here. Message him to add you on the Bank Nifty Club channel. Okay, sir, which indicators are best for Bank Nifty intraday? Please, I don't use indicator for Bank Nifty intraday. In current scenario, positional is not good due to corona. Yeah, positional investment will be very good, Mitesh. Investment will be very good. I have already started investment. I have already shown you, my investment right now. आपको मालूम होगा इस वक्त, I think मैंने बताया है last time. Investment will be very good. How to choose a trade for intraday? How to choose a trade for intraday? I have explained in my webinar. You go to Stock Pro YouTube channel. Go there, and I'm telling you the date where I have explained. In the videos section, click on videos, and if I am right, I think this one is. If I remember correctly, then. No, this is not the one. But yeah, I think इससे just पहले वाला है. Sorry, मैं थोड़ा सा yeah, do watch this video. 2nd of April, it was premiered on 2nd of April 2020. Okay, I'll after this webinar, I'll also post this, or maybe just simply search here. You'll find this on 2nd of April 2020. It was posted. It was premiered. All right. Do watch. You'll definitely get a good learning about it. All right. Any other question? Which indicators are best for Bank Nifty intraday? Got it. Got it. Duration of the course is 1 month. Market profile combo course. There are, market profile combo course. There are two ways you can join market profile combo course. One is through just by subscribing to market profile combo course. or if you are doing master trading course, then also you will be added to market profile combo course. These are the two ways that you can do. And obviously this market profile, volume profile, and order flow, they will help you out a lot in doing intraday as well as positional trades. And order flow is definitely completely helpful a lot in making your right trading decision at right point of time in intraday trades especially. All right, how can I attend it from beginning? Right, so Aman, if you want to join this course, this is the number 9599634604, and just contact us, and my team will talk to you related to the course, and you can also talk to me later on. Right, I'm telling you what I will give you during this course. Number one, if you are a beginner of stock market, if you are completely beginner, if you don't know anything related to market, if you are beginner, then what you will be doing, what I will do, I'll create a orientation program on 13th and 14th May. राइट, 13th एंड 14th मई को एक ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम करेंगे. राइट, और उस ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम में आई विल टीच यू बेसिक्स ऑफ stock market. Right, then second thing, when then 15th May ko, that's how course will run. 15th May course will start, and first I'll start giving you basics related to breakouts and price action. These are the things that I will be teaching you starting from 15th. Another thing which I'll be teaching you, during the after next 2-3 days, like from like 18th or 19th of May roughly, we will start learning market profile. Then we'll be going ahead with once the classes of market profile is done, we'll be learning volume profile, then order flow, then there will be just a minute. Then market profile, volume profile, order flow, then there will also be all the trading setups for market profile, for volume profile, for order flow, and price action as well, and some of my old trading setups as well, जो मैं पहले scalping के लिए use करता था. There you will also get my scalping, unique scalping strategy. There is one trading setup, right, and then ये सब कोर्स आप सीख लेंगे, बट ये सब कोर्स तो आपका हो गया live. There will also be this thing, trading psychology, right? These are the things that you will learn anyways if you become part of market profile combo course, and these are the things that you will learn during May batch. But once the course content and all these things are over, once you have learned everything, I'm not leaving you alone. I will become, you will get added to forum right? Which is a Telegram group, right? Our market profile combo course forum, where all the like-minded traders who have who were part of market profile combo course, they will they will help each other out in learning, not just market profile, other things as well, right? They'll help each other out, and I will keep on giving you all mentoring every Sunday. I'll be meeting and I'll be taking up all of your doubts, helping you out, because it is a very long process in order to कोई भी course आप बता दीजिए, how many of you have done courses from other trainers? Let me know. And seek K, if you have become a completely very good trader, it requires a lot of time. That's the crude reality. So in order to solve that problem, what I'm giving you lifetime support, right? Lifetime support in terms of continuous mentoring. Every Sunday we will be meeting. 1 month में, yes, Deepak complete हो जाएगा course, and after that there will be complete lifetime support. And obviously, whenever I'm conducting any live trading sessions, you will get the first access. And in fact, if I'm not conducting it for public, I'll be definitely conducting it for students. Students will be the first priority in terms of live trading sessions. How many classes and time duration? Classes will be daily class for 1 month. I'll tell you, some of my students, maybe I should not show you all the chat. All right, leave it. I should not show the chat because I have not yet taken permission from him. If my student give me permission, then I'll just explain you. He's my last batch student, and he right now he's just daily calling me and daily asking me, trying to improve himself. There are actually two students who are one of them is improving a lot, and one of them, there are two students, I'm just giving you an example. There are two students. One of them is improving really good. Second one is still running like this. One day small profit, one day big loss, one day small profit, one day big loss. And then I'm but what important thing that he's doing, he's trying to improve, and I'm helping him as much as possible, trying to improve. That is the most important thing. And he is improving faster. If he is improving faster, if the second student is improving faster, first one is improving comparatively, the momentum of improvement is less in trading. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है that he will not become a Shatabdi train. He will definitely become a Shatabdi train. But what we are working upon his trading right now is his psychological, emotional activity that he always bring into his trading. He always, what he is doing right now, he is currently earning less because he bring into his emotions into his trading, and that is what we are working upon right now. And I'm pretty sure he will definitely improve with time. And the second student is improving faster because most of the days, most of the trading days are emotionless. for him. Okay, that's why he's improving faster. How to do that, how to achieve that, I'll be teaching you during the course. All right, हिंदी में हिंदी बैच भी है सर दीपक। मैं दोनों चीजों में दोनों एक साथ पढ़ाऊंगा। मैं एक ही कोर्स के अंदर हिंदी, जिसको हिंदी नहीं, जिसको इंग्लिश नहीं समझ में आ रही है उसको हिंदी में समझाऊंगा, जिसको अगर हिंदी में समझना, अगर मैक्सिमम, इफ मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स आर सेइंग that sir, we want to learn this course in Hindi only, and no one is saying that sir, I want to learn in English. If no one is saying that, then definitely I'll teach the whole course in Hindi. Otherwise I'll use Hindi as well as English mix. Okay, so yeah, so guys, how many of you are interested? Those who are interested, do let me know by sending your number in the chat. My team will contact you. See, if you want to earn consistent earning from the market, and I do it, I can say it for sure, and you all, you have all seen my profit screenshots. I don't want to brag on this, but yes, I do earn consistently, and I send my screenshot on Bank Nifty channel every day, right? And in order to earn consistently, definitely you need a help from like-minded traders. Plus you also need continuous mentoring. Every Sunday, every weekend, I'll be meeting. If I show, let's I can do at least this thing. We are meeting Sunday, so no, I can leave it because I've sent this message few minutes back to my students that I'll be meeting them on Sunday. There is any charges for this? For what, Rashmi? Thank you, Zoeb, for sharing your number. My team will contact you. Anyone else who is interested in joining the course, do let me know. Order flow is not available in NSE website, Datta. Are there any? This course is not free of cost. There are charges for it. Yes. This is for 35,000. This is the course fee. Market profile combo course is for 35,000. Yeah, this is the course fee, 35,000. See, for this, obviously, if you need continuous I should not. Okay, I'll tell you, there are many training providers in the market. You must have taken some training from some other institute as well, right? How many of you feel that your last trading session was, your last, wherever you have taken your last course, it was not good enough for you? I want to trade only in Bank Nifty, then what is the fees? This course is, even if you want to trade in Bank Nifty, the course fee will remain same. There will not be any changes in the fees. What I am providing you is more than value for money. I'm giving you lifetime support. See, I'll tell you what kind of support I'm giving you. Currently, I'm developing this chain, this graph. This is my current graph which I'm developing right now for my student, which will update every single second, right? This is what I'm doing right now. And obviously before the start of webinar I was doing it, right? And once this is developed, it will update every single second, right? And it will automatically show here in this, line. I'm just sharing an idea with you, right? Whatever the top gainers are and whatever the top losers are in all the FNO stocks, and wherever there is big amount of movement in prices that is taking place, that is what it will show. If it becomes completely working fine, then I'll share it with my students. Okay, so this is currently running on test basis. This is one thing. This is another second part. This is option chain of Bank Nifty in graphical format. It also updates every single second, right? This is what I have already shared with my students. Okay, so these are the few things that I do not keep with myself. I keep on sharing it with my students. Or whatever new strategy that I create, right? Whenever I create a new strategy, whenever there is any new update related to trading, related to anything, I give it to my students first. Okay, see Ashutosh, if you are thinking that charges are higher, there is one part that I can help you out. You can pay it in installments. You can pay it in installments through credit card payment. EMI option is available. If you have credit card, you can pay through EMI. If you feel, those who feel that this is 35,000 is very high fees, let me know. Compared to the courses that you have done before. Okay, Sujit is saying it is high. Anyone else? So Sujit, I'm asking, you are saying that 35,000 is high compared to the courses that you have done before. Now let me know what extra features you got in the last course. That you got in the last course. Let me know. Zoeb also, I want to know what else, what extra features you got in the last course, which helped you out in making your right trading decision at right point of time, having low risk and high rewarding trade, and continuous mentorship, continuous training every now and then. And whenever I'm conducting live sessions, these are the things, these are the most important things, which obviously I'm giving you lots of other things as well. All these tools that I'm developing it for my students. I already have these tools in software, but I'm developing these tools in for my students so that they can access these software for free of cost, right? Why, what do you think that your other courses, they have given you these features? Let me know what was it in that course which has helped you out a lot in making your right trading decision. I'm giving my students lots of other things, all my hard work that I do, I keep on giving it to my students. Would like to talk to you on same personally whenever it is possible. Yes, yes, do take this number, Zoeb. Do take this number, 9599634604. This is my team's number. You tell them and you can talk to me. So if there were no extra features, I'm giving you. Now let me know in your last course, if there were no extra features, let me know. Then did they give you in the last course, did they give you anything to control your emotions while trading? No. Okay, answer is no. Did they give you, next question is, Did they give you live trading sessions? Live trading sessions? Okay. Live trading sessions किस टाइप के, मतलब properly from 9 to 3 o'clock? When I'm saying that it is a live trading session, live trading 9 to 9:15 to 3:30 and you are applying whatever that was taught during the class. Please tell me. Let me know, guys. Applying whatever that was taught in during the class, was it given in that live trading session? Now, next question is, any new development in your trading, in trainers trading or new trading setup? Are they giving you update on it timely? And that too, all of these things are getting for the lifetime. That's my question. Still you think that 35,000 is not value for money? Sir, your course on market profile, volume profile is unique. Very few people know about this, first of all. Your charge is meager. Thank you, Edwin. Thank you. So yeah, guys, those who really want to join this course, do join it. And this is the number. I'm not asking your number now anymore. If you feel that I'm asking very much money, but this is the number 9599634604. If you still feel that this course is good for you in helping you out a lot in making your right trading decision at right point of time, do join it. We are starting on 15th of May. And yes, this video, definitely watch it if you want to select what I do for intraday, right? What you want to do for intraday. This is the video that I told you, that 2nd of April this was premiered. Do watch this video, wherein obviously when I started explaining right from here about, right, understand what is happening from the all these things to do before taking any trade, right? From 14 minutes onward you can start watching, or maybe yeah, you can watch it from initial starting few minutes as well, right? Or maybe wait for 10, you can skip the first 5-10 minutes if you want to, right? So that was all for today. सर, जो टूल है मार्केट प्रोफाइल वो स्पेशल प्लेटफॉर्म है, ये अप्लाई होगा क्या? इफ यस देन पेड होगा प्लेटफॉर्म। मैं आपको फ्री में भी ये सॉफ्टवेयर का जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, ये मार्केट प्रोफाइल फ्री में कैसे बनते हैं वो भी मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा। ये वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल कैसे बनते हैं फ्री में, वो भी मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा. देयर आर फ्री सोर्सेज एज वेल टू एक्सेस these charts. That is what I will be teaching you. Do not worry. Okay, so Edwin, sir, I will consider it later, sir. I think it should be face to face. I want to come and stay with you for few days when I want to learn. Okay, okay. So yeah, we are not conducting any classroom session. Yeah, timing here is 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. night time. 9 p.m. There were many of my few batch students who were from your place only. Edwin. So 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. till 10:30 Indian time. Yes, yes, that is what and that is when I teach. 9 p.m. to 11:30. Oh, sorry, 10:30. Okay. All right, that was all for today, guys. Thank you for having patience and listening to me. And do join the course if you want. And this is the number. Do contact on this number 95996 34604. Take care. Bye bye.